Okay, so there's lines pretty much every direction over here. So there's lines all the way down that way. There's lines all the way down that way. And there's lines all the way down that way. So we're gonna go, and we're kind of in this Lilao area right here, the your Mandarin House, Lilao. It's a historical center, so you can stop and see where we are as well. So okay, let's check it all out in detail. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so I don't even know where these lines go, but it's a pretty beautiful area in this Lilao for sure. I don't know where all those lines go either. But you got lines in every direction. And this area right here, it's a little bit hard to walk on because, but it goes all the way down. There's a policeman at the end that side, on the left side. So what I've been noticing is a lot of times these lines are so long that the policemen stay at the end and they try to siphon people from not going in every direction like they are now. But you have people coming from this way, and then you have people coming up from here. And you got stuff. Yelling at you, I think. So he's yelling, they just were saying they were guaylo, so we got stuff all the way up that way. So yeah, someone was telling me the guaylo doesn't have its mask on fully. I didn't have it all the way fully on. So he was yelling and the police told me to put it on. So yeah, with the COVID scare, there's also an assumption that guaylo or foreigner has COVID, so we've been dealing with that stereotype for a long time as well. So that guy was yelling, he was basically saying the guaylo doesn't have his mask on 100%, which is true. I had it down where it was just, so yeah, the tensions are pretty high. We'll just kind of walk down and just see. So yeah, he was quite emotionally upset and yelling. Yeah, actually things are quite tension now, so yeah, he was very emotionally upset. So anyways, yeah, actually foreigners have not been able to come or go, so that's our center right there. So they're all coming up in that way. So I think what we'll do is just get out of here because the tensions are pretty high. So all these people are waiting in there. Yeah, actually foreigners haven't been able to go in or out of Macau, so no foreigners have been allowed to come into Macau for 17 months. So if you see any foreigner here, none of them are coming in with COVID, but there's a perception among the mainland Chinese, especially that foreigners have the COVID. So, but actually that wasn't what happened. It was, let's kind of get out of here. Everything's a little bit emotionally tense at the moment. So anyways, so yeah, but actually that was the case family of 4. But anyways, I can understand all the tensions and all the anxiety. So man, yeah, the tensions are high. You can feel it in the air.